How to do $2,000 or more in SEO in under 30 minutes. What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here with ShineRanker, and what you just watched was an automated website audit of one of my websites. It's that fast. It takes a couple seconds. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to actually take action on the information you get from ShineRanker to not only improve traffic to your website, but hopefully make more money online no matter what you're doing, whether you have a local business or you do affiliate marketing like me. So what we're doing here is I automated one of my old websites. This is howtorank.com. Now, I used to use this website to sell an SEO course I had, which I no longer sell. So now I'm kind of repurposing this website to drive traffic to my affiliate offers. I haven't messed with it in a long time. So what I wanted to do here was show you how I'm going to fix it. So I'm going to go ahead and do it live. And then before we get too far into the video, I want to show you the steps of what we're actually going to be covering in this video. So again, we're going to be doing $2,000 worth of SEO services in under 30 minutes. So where did I get this number? Where did I get $2,000 worth of SEO services? Well, back when I used to sell SEO services, I would sell these audits, as you just watched this tool do, for anywhere between $500 to $1,500, depending on the size of the client and their budget and a few different factors. But basically, this is what I would do. They would pay me $500 to $1,500. I would plug their website into this tool and then make changes based on what it tells me. So that's maybe $1,000 right there. And then the second part of that number comes from actually implementing it, actually making the changes, which is what I'm going to show you how to do here, again, in under 30 minutes using ShineRanker. So the reason this is going to help you is because if you want to get more traffic to your own website, again, whether you're a local business or an affiliate marketer or you have a online store, whatever it is, right, you want to get more people seeing it. So you have a couple options. You can either do it yourself, or you could pay somebody. And if you pay somebody to do it, this is probably what they're going to charge you all in to not only audit your website, but then go ahead and implement the changes. Any less than that, and you want to really make sure that who you have doing your work knows what they're doing. But anyway, so that's what we're doing, $2,000 worth of SEO services. And then I'm going to show you, for those of you who stick around to the end of the video, I want to show you a secret explosive traffic method that generates thousands of website clicks per month. It works for me, it works for us here at ShineRanker, it's what Chase does on his main channel, and it's what hundreds of thousands of other online marketers are doing. So I'll show you that at the end. The first thing I want you to do, step one, is comment yes if you want more traffic coming to your website or social media profiles. I'm guessing that's why you're watching the video, but just let me know and comment yes if you want some more traffic. So assuming you do, let's go ahead and get started. The next thing you're going to do is audit your website, and you can go ahead and go to getyouraudit.com and do this right now if you're not already a ShineRanker user. If you are, you already have access to the tool. You can do everything I'm showing you. But if you don't have ShineRanker yet, head to getyouraudit.com, and then you can literally do what I just showed you here with the tool. You're going to come here, you'll be on the home page here, your dashboard. You won't have any websites in here. You'll have to add them as a new project. And then what you'll want to do is come down here to this tool. It says Shine Audit. So all I did was click this button that says Website Link Analysis. Click that, and here I put my website into this box, howtorank.com. And then I click Submit, and this is the data that came up. So what I'm going to do now is just go across one line, right? We're just going to do the home page here. So let me actually pull this up so you can see the website in a new window. Howtorank.com. Currently, this is all it is, just a landing page with a few links to my different affiliate offers and an email opt-in here. Very simple. So let's see what the tool tells me I should do to better optimize this. So we could see this page here, score 7.7. Google Analytics is found. So far, so good. So basically everything in the green here is good to go, and anything that shows up red, like you can see on these pages down here, needs your attention. So we'll just keep going through the list. Here it'll tell you what keywords your page ranks for. So here we can see James Jernigan SEO, and there it'll tell you if your H1 is in your title. So your H1 matching your title is important for SEO because it tells Google that that's what your website's about. So then here we have my meta description. It's in green, so that's good. Now if we look at meta description length, these ones beneath this are green and they're a little longer, so that tells me I need to add at least 20 words or 40 words to my meta description to fix this problem here, to address that. So we'll come over here to my website editor. It looks like I need to reload. So what we want to do here is look at what this is telling us. It's telling us that our meta description length is too short. So once the website builder here loads up, I will show you exactly how to fix this problem. So I'm going to come here to settings, and now you can see this is going to be different depending on what website builder you use, whether you use WordPress or Wix or ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels or any of these different platforms, right? It's all pretty much the same, so that's what I'm trying to show you here. So I'll come to page settings. You'll notice there's also site settings. So here under page settings, I'm going to come here to SEO. Again, this is just how it's organized in my builder. Yours might be different, but you can see this button right here that says metadata. So your website builder should have this option too somewhere inside of it. And again, so this says meta description. So here we could see page title, right? So this is the title. In the page metadata, you have your title, and then over here is the H1, like I said, your H1 and title should match, so you could see that the page title is the same as the first title on my web page, kind of behind this window here. Then we have meta keywords. We'll get to that, and then here is the meta description. So like I said, I need to add about 20 words to this. So currently it says James Jernigan's favorite marketing and automation tools for making money online. So I might add something like, get the best AI tools available in 2020, well, we don't need 2023 twice, but get the best AI tools available for marketing your business online. Then I might even add a couple, one more sentence here. Learn how to make money with social media marketing. There we go. So I'll click the check. And then to go ahead and make these changes live, I will need to publish. So we'll keep going through the rest of what I need to fix here, but ultimately once we've made these changes and it's been applied and they're live on the website, we can run this audit again and we should be able to see this meta description length turn from red to green. So if we keep scrolling over here, there's also not an email on the page, it says, so we'll check that out. I thought I had it at the bottom, but maybe not. So all I need to do here is add my email down here. So we can even just put it in this box. It would look better if I put another box, but just for the sake of time to keep this simple, I will come here and put my email. So james@howtorank.com. Might even make it easy on Google and put email. There we go. So now the crawler should be able to see that that's okay. That's your email address on the page. So again, I would need to publish that to make it live. So we'll come back and we'll just keep scrolling along here and see what else we need to fix. So here, phone numbers, it's showing some kind of code for my phone number, but that is green, so we'll go past that for now. Social links, it says here, you can see that there are social links. It's showing the LinkedIn there, and if we come back and look at this page, here you can see I have my different links to social media pages here at the bottom. So I'm just trying to walk you through this so that if you're doing this for yourself or if you're doing it for clients, you know exactly what this spreadsheet means and how to implement the changes. That's some of the biggest questions we get here at ShineRanker is, okay, I see this spreadsheet, but what does all this data mean? How do I actually make these changes? So the next one here is contact forms. Now this is where you'll have to do I'm going to have to do a little bit of my own thinking here, because down here there is clearly a contact form on this page. So that tells me that it's not showing up in the SEO tool here, but I do have one, so I'm going to go ahead and skip that. But you could address this. I could fix this by, instead of using the built-in contact form I'm using here, I could go create one in HTML that's going to play a little better with the tool, and then it'll turn this box green. But I'm going to skip that for now for the sake of time. So here we have the title, title length, word count, and as we scroll over here, H1 is there, H1 length is good, the H2 is there, the H2 length is good. So then over here it'll just give you some more generic information, how many images are on the page, how many headings, how many paragraphs. So then we come over here. This is the second H2, so you can see that we come here, we have H2, and then what this means, H1, oh, H1, 2, this is the second H1. So you shouldn't have more than H1 tag on your site. So all we need to do is come down here. So this is what it's saying is it's my second H1. So it should be able to come here to, here we go. Yep, it was showing as H1. So all I need to do is make that an H2 or an H3. Publish those changes. And so now, back at the tool here, when we refresh this, it should not tell me that I have two H1s, and instead tell me that I have an H1, an H2, and an H3. So we will keep going over, and here it tells you the meta keywords. So remember, when I was here inside of my settings here, under the SEO settings, under metadata, you could see these are the meta keywords. So these are keywords that don't show up anywhere on your web page necessarily. I mean, they could, but by putting them in this meta keywords box here, your website visitors aren't seeing these keywords. What these keywords are for the Google algorithm and the different crawl bots that come to look at your website and categorize it so that other people can find it. For example, ranking it on Google, they're using these words. Now, this is a very small percentage of SEO, again, which is why it's kind of at the end of our checklist here, right? These meta keywords probably aren't going to make the difference between you being on page 1 or not. But if you're in the top 5 and you want to move up and you don't know how to do it, you could. This is something you could try adding some meta keywords. So then that's it. That is just one page. So now obviously what you do is go through and do these same changes for each of the pages on your website. For the sake of time, I won't do that, but what I will do is go ahead and see if these changes are actually registered by the tool if I rerun this audit here. So sometimes with changing your website, it can take 24 to 48 hours for the changes to show up, especially in tools like this. So it looks like it's not even finding that page now. Oh, here it is. It's showing up as a third one down here. So now if we scroll over, still not showing the email or the contact form. Alright, so now the, what was it? The meta description is what we were looking for. We'll see if that updated. Again, sometimes this stuff takes time, so there we go. Now the meta description is green, and the meta description length, so you can see here now it's 212. Like I said, it needed maybe another 20 words. So now it is the correct length. It's showing up green in this box saying that the length is good. And if we look back here at the meta description, you can see it has what I added here. Get the best AI tools for marketing your business online, learn how to make money with social media marketing. So you can see that these changes occurred live here with inside the tool. Like I said, my email and contact form didn't show up, but at least we know, and at least we're on top of it, right? Rather than leaving it a mystery, wondering why our website isn't ranking. So that's how that part of the tool works. Now, the next thing you want to do is check how much traffic is actually coming to your website. So here, that is step 3. Check keyword rankings using the traffic checker. So now you know what's going on with your on page, right? You know that it's all set up correctly, right? Structurally, it's sound. Just like if you were building a building, you wouldn't just throw a bunch of sticks together and lean them up against each other, right? You'd level out the ground. You'd use screws or nails or whatever it is to build what it is you're trying to build. So that's the same thing we're doing here in the first step with the audit, is just making sure that the structure of our website is correct. So now what we want to do is see what keywords that our website actually ranks for. And the reason we want to do that is because, we went out of order here. We fixed the problems before we checked what keywords we rank for. But this, these are interchangeable. You've done your audit. You fixed the problem. So now you want to check what keywords your website currently ranks for. So all you do is come here to Traffic Checker, check traffic, and then you put your website in here and click submit. So I've done that here, and you can see that a bunch of the keywords that my website ranks for. It'll show you how many monthly searches these keywords get. Sometimes it'll show you a difficulty. It'll show you the cost per click, and most importantly, you can track your results over time. So it'll show you the current rank and the previous rank, so you can make sure you're making progress. So you can see some of these words are going down, some of them are going up. Like I said, I haven't messed with this website in quite some time, but that's what we're here doing, right? If it was a perfect website, there would be nothing to show you. So I'm showing you one that needs some help. And so this will tell you what keywords you're ranking for. Now the next thing you want to do, again according to our list here, is find new keywords using the keyword finder. And again, we're going to do that here inside of ShineRanker. So we'll come to keyword research, enter keyword topics. So my website is about SEO, so we might put SEO tool, we might put SEO service, and we might put SEO trick. Let's see what that gives us. Hopefully it'll give us a variety of words about SEO that we can then create content for our website. Interesting. Looks like the tool malfunctioned there a little bit, so we'll just give it something more generic. SEO, search engine optimization, and organic SEO. See if that gives us a little bit better results. We'll give the tool just a second here. So there we go. It's finding hundreds of keywords. While it's doing that, I want to just tell you why we're doing this. So again, we've checked what keywords our website currently ranks for. So the ones that it's not ranking for are what we want to find now, right? We want to find more keywords. So even if we're ranking number 1 for all of the keywords that are on our website, now it's time to add new keywords to our website to get even more traffic. So that's what this tool will do. So now you can see the keywords here. It'll show you exactly how many monthly searches they get. If you want to see the difficulty, just check all and then update selected difficulty. You can also update all difficulty, but when it has thousands of keywords, sometimes that can take a bit of time. So there you go. You can see the difficulty scores popped in here. Now obviously most of these are extremely competitive, which is why it's so important to have the difficulty score here, right? Because if we targeted SEO or search engine optimization, right, we're competing. There is tons of traffic, right? 135,000 people search this every month, but it's literally a 100% difficulty score. It couldn't be any more difficult. The most difficult word you could possibly target, or one of them, according to this tool. So what we want to do is come down here and find these green ones, right? Because the green ones, 4, that's super easy compared to 43 or 73, and you'll see that all 3 of these words, search engine marketing, SEO consultant, and Google keywords, all 3 of these words get 6,600 searches a month. But do you want to compete with something that's very difficult? Do you want to compete at a level of 73, or do you want to compete at a level 4? Like if you're playing video games, what's easier, level 4 or level 73? So we want to play at the lowest level possible, right? Level 4, level 23, not 75 or 100. So these are the type of words that we will be going after, and this is why we use the tool. So then, if we come here, the last step is to then essentially put this content on your website. So I want to show you how to create a secret type of content using AI or your phone. So before I do that, I'll just show you how to create content the old-fashioned way. So we can come here to the content editor. We can click Start Editing. And we can use this AI tool here to basically generate content for us based on keywords. So we could say, make money online with SEO. And we click Generate. So what's going to happen here is this tool is going to use AI to create content about SEO. So search engine optimization, or SEO, is a process of affecting the visibility of a website on a web page in search engines. It goes on with more information about SEO. So then we just continue this process here, and this gauge tells us how optimized this content is for the word that we are trying to optimize for. Now what I want to show you is how to take this to the next level, right? Because you can spend all day creating this content, you can copy it and paste it to your website. Hopefully you'll edit it a little bit, right, to make it unique. But basically that's it. You're going to create this content, you just repeat the process I showed you over and over until you have an article, you edit it a little bit, put it on your website, and that is what is going to add keywords here under your traffic checker. That's what's going to make your website rank for more keywords and get you more traffic. But again, if you look at these keywords, I want to show you a stark contrast here. So again, this website is a few years old. It ranks for a handful of keywords, nothing like super impressive, right? But it gets some traffic. Now, what I want to show you is how you can use the keywords you find here in this Shine Ranker tool in a completely different way, but in a way that's still going to bring traffic to your website. In fact, thousands of clicks per month has been my experience and everybody else who's tried this. So what I want to show you is social media SEO. If we come here to TikTok and we search GMB SEO, here is, hopefully it's really small, but that's my face on this account called GMB SEO with 17,000 followers. And if we scroll down here, this video is from my account, almost 1 million views on this video, just this one video, and this video took me less than 10 minutes to make. So I invested 10 minutes of time, got 1 million views, or almost 1 million views on my content, and a ton of website clicks. And if we scroll down here, again, this video is from that same account, this video is from my account, this video over here is from my account. And so Google is not the only place that you can rank, which is what I'm trying to show you here. And if you've been paying attention lately, social media platforms are exploding in popularity. They're not only being used to communicate and socialize like they were in the past, but now they're being used as a search engine, just exactly as you can see here, right? I typed in GMB SEO, so it suggests GMB SEO hacks. Let's try that one and see if it comes up here on this page. There we go. Here again on page 1 for a suggested search term on the TikTok platform, one of the most used websites in the world today. And again, you can do this with YouTube, you can do this with Facebook, you can do this with Instagram. It's not just Google, but by using Shine Ranker and targeting these easy keywords, you're going to be getting a significant portion of this traffic. Like I said, 6,600 people per month search Google keywords on Google. But if social media platforms are growing at a crazy rate and tons of people are using them, then wouldn't you assume that there's probably thousands of people searching that on TikTok as well and on these other platforms? So that's how you can expedite your traffic. Like I said, getting a few hundred clicks to this website from SEO, from people finding it on Google. But I'm getting thousands of clicks to this website by creating optimized social media content, like I just showed you, that ranks for GMB SEO on one of the most popular platforms in the world. So that's the secret hack I wanted to show you, the secret type of content. It's short form video content. And now I can't go into too much detail, I don't have much time left in this video, but essentially you can create this content using AI, or you could do it using your phone. So if we take a look at this account here, I'll click on it, show you the account. You can see that a lot of these videos, once they load here, don't even show my face. I'm literally just pointing at my computer screen. Some of them do, right? But look at the view counts, right? This one doesn't show my face. It has 10,000 views. The ones that do show my face generally get less views. So here's again 11,000 views without showing my face, 50,000 views without showing my face, 22,000 views. So really anybody can do this, no matter who you are. And these are videos I made just by literally, like when I hover over these, you could see the video. That's the whole video. It's just me pointing at my computer screen. There's nothing fancy. Here is another one. I'm just pointing at my computer screen, showing people what website to go to. Now, if you don't even want to do that, if somehow holding up your phone and pointing at your computer is still too much work for you, don't worry. We can come down here to the chat feature, and we can literally tell this tool right here within Shine Ranker to create content for us. So if I can click in the, looks like I might have to refresh it. For some reason it wouldn't let me click in the text box there, but I think I just need to refresh the page here. And anyway, so what this is ChatGPT built into Shine Ranker. So we can literally do pretty much anything with this. We can tell it, create me a 30-second TikTok video script that promotes my landscaping business called Three Brothers Landscaping. Right, and I just made that up. I don't have a landscaping company, but I assume that a lot of people who are watching this want to promote the local business. So we'll go ahead and give it that and see what comes out. Create me a 30-second TikTok video script that promotes my landscaping business called Three Brothers Landscaping. So there we go, opening shot, Three Brothers standing. It's even telling you what to film for this, right? It's taking all of the thought out of it. Opening shot, three brothers standing in front of their landscaping truck with the company logo. Odds are, if you have a landscaping company, you have a truck, so you go stand in front of it. You whip out your phone. Brother 1, hey guys, do you want to transform your yard into a beautiful oasis? Brother 2, they look no further than Three Brothers Landscaping. Brother 3, we're a family-owned business that takes pride in providing top-notch lawn care and maintenance services. And then it tells you, cut to shots of them mowing lawns, trimming hedges, planting flowers, right? So again, you're a landscaping company, you're doing this every single day. You just whip out your phone, take a video of your partner cutting some grass or trimming the flowers, whatever it is, right? You just take a video of it, and then you just record a voice over top. Right? You don't even have to show your face in any of this. Like it tells you in the front with the three brothers, but suppose you just skip that. Suppose you just show the hands working the lawnmower or working the weed whacker, and you just show what kind of results you get, right? Or you show the yard, right? It doesn't matter what you show here. The point is that you're creating content, and AI can help you do it faster. It's even telling you what to say here. So we only use the best equipment and materials. And then at the end, it's telling you to give them a call to action. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today for a free estimate that lets us bring your outdoor vision to life. And you could even add to that and say, click the link in my profile, whatever it is. But there you go. You just watched AI create a TikTok video for you, essentially. I mean, now obviously you have to pick up your phone. You got to do a little bit of work. Nothing in life is free, but that is the process here. So that's all I really have time to cover in this video, but make sure you go to theshortriches.com if what you saw here makes sense, if you're excited about it, if it's something you want to get started with, because at theshortriches.com you'll get a much more in-depth training that's really going to break down all this stuff down step by step, specifically the secret type of content I'm talking about, the AI content or the short form videos that don't show your face, right? It's less about the old school SEO, which is what I showed you at the beginning, which is still important, but at the Short Riches you're going to find this new method I'm showing you that, like I said, is what I used to create a video that got almost 1 million views on it in less than 10 minutes. If I scroll down here, here's the video right here, 932,000 views. So if I click on this video, so you can see it here, you can check it out.
When they realize just how easy it is for a competitor to steal all of the keywords from their Google My Business. Literally all a competitor has to do is copy the URL of your website and it's game over. Because the next thing they're going to do is paste it into a tool like this, which will...
Well, the video is a minute long. I won't spend the time to play the whole thing, but you can see I'm literally just pointing at my computer saying, hey, this tool is crazy, this is what it does, here is where to get it. And in just that, like I said, it's a 59-second video, not even a minute long video. It took me less than 10 minutes to create, and it's generated almost 1 million views for me, just that one. And you can see I put these videos out regularly. They get anywhere from a few hundred views to a few thousand views to 24,000, almost 1 million views. So anyways, if you want to learn how to do that, check out theshortriches.com. And that wraps up this video. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button down below so you can get the future tutorials as soon as we put them out. If you're already a subscriber, do us a favor and click the bell icon. That'll make sure that our videos pop up into your feed and you can watch them as soon as possible. Other than that, take care everybody. I will catch you on the next Shine Ranker video.